and it is catching up with the Congress party. It says that it abides by the constitution, it abides by the letter of the law, but it's in violation of it, Mr. Mishra. This is hypocrisy of the worst kind. This is, to paraphrase the BJP, chori from the public. Who is suffering if taxes are not paid?
So, first of all, let's be clear that it would have been more surprising if the ITAT had ruled in favor of Congress going by its past history. It had the discretion and it has used it against Congress. Nothing to say about that. If you remember, this is a continuation of the freezing of accounts of Congress before the last general elections, and the Congress had called this tax terrorism, the sort of demands that are being raised by the income tax department. And right now also, even after ITAT, it can go to the High Court, it can go to the Supreme Court. So it still has avenues where it will challenge this, and I'm sure that Mr. Kohli would be knowing that the talk about this cash exceeding 2,000, Congress had tried to explain that it is from its MPs and MLAs, so it should not be taken as a donation, which ITAT has obviously and the Income Tax Department haven't accepted. So it's a continuing saga of where opposition parties are being targeted. I mean,
come on, sir. I mean, what kind of hair splitting is this?
Opposition parties.
Entitlement, where is this coming from?
No, and absolutely, if you don't file your taxes within the time period, as individuals, viewers, we face penalties. So must the Congress. Or do the Gandhis think they're above it?
They do think that.
Do they think they're above it? If the individual is penalized for not filing its taxes or her taxes in one particular financial year, you have to pay a penalty or you have to face action. So why should the Congress think that they're exempt from this? It's the laws of the land.
So Rahul, 2 points I want to make. First of all, what Congress is saying that the money given by MPs and MLAs should not be counted as donation. Let us be clear on that.
No, but why?
Second, coming to your...
No, but why? How do we know that that money... No, how do we know that that money has not been sourced from the public? I mean, what kind of a distinction is this?
So, that I think Congress has explained in the ITAT and it hasn't been...
So clearly its explanation is...
I would like to add something coming back to this tax terrorism, when an individual fails...
I would like to add something here, please.
Yeah, okay.
Just let me finish my point. Let me finish my point. So, in this particular case, the Congress is even being denied the amount it is claiming as expenses. In case of an individual, the individual will be allowed
to this matter has gone through due process. It has been taken up over a period of 2 years. All these minutiae arguments have been gone into and found inadequate. Yes, the Congress can move the High Courts, it can move the